Hey, today I do an unboxing of a replacement delivery that I got from Lightake. It should replace two puzzles that came wrong with my last order that I did the 10th of December last year, 2010. That order arrived like at short after Christmas, so the time was okay with delivery. But then to figure things out and to make them actually send me the right puzzles, well, that took about 2 months. So they placed the order at the 26th of February this year, 2012. And now this package is here for like 3 weeks. So it took about like 1.5 months to arrive. Kind of long, but anyway, I'm glad it's here, so I'll see what's inside. And actually, there should be a magic inside of it and a GhostHand too, but I'm really not sure if they made it this time the right ones or if it's again the wrong ones. I'll see. So I open it. Yeah, finally, seems to be the right one. Should be. Oh, that's interesting. This magic should have a spare string with it, but it doesn't. I'm not doing anything with that because I still can't solve it. I still need help with that, but oh, that's kind of... Oh, okay, I'm not doing anything before I destroy it. Yeah, but it's the right one. And yeah, so finally got the right one. Now, next part, it's in a pouch. So chances are good it's the right one. Black pouch, it's nice. Cube paper. And yeah, seems to be no. Oh, that's interesting. It should be a GhostHand too, but those have those like structure on the pieces, and this cube doesn't have any structure. So I guess again the wrong cube. Yeah, nice. I'm not sure if I go again into the arguing with those people over there not being able to talk, and yeah. But anyway, oh, really loose. That's okay. Not good. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more unboxings of stuff, then subscribe, like the video, whatever, comment, you know, the usual stuff. Bye.